Okay guys, this is where I found a cat like a few days ago. His name is Simon, and he's playing with Tara's bracelet. Tara, say hi.
He's meeting his claws.
I got that. Play with the bracelet, Simon.
Hey Simon, Simonella. Oh my gosh, you're not calling that. Hey, come on, try to get it. You lazy.
I'm getting this.
Oh, he tried. Is that her? That's not her.
That's a dog.
No.
So cute.
He's so determined.
Yeah, guys, it's a he, and yeah, as you can see, his name is Simon. We named him Simon, and my mom's gonna let me keep him.
Narnia.
What? What?
No, I was talking to the cat. You are so... I'm gonna drag you across the floor if I have to. I don't want to break your claws, though. I will annoy you forever until you lay down and obey my orders. You can't escape. The struggle is real. Oh, no, you did not.
Oh, heck no! Hey! Get out!
Oh, you're just trying to go through tight spaces like a physical cat.
Okay, guys, this is Simon. He's so cute. He's a Siamese cat, which is super rare.
Actually, he's not. He's part, but he's not. Siamese cats are skinny, barely have any fur. He's very furry.
So he must be a
part,
mixed. So he must be a mixed.
No, I think he's just literally the cuddler. Oh, ew.
What?
It's a dead bug! You need to clean yourself, man. This is the most unhealthy cat I've ever seen. Only eats hot dogs and drinks water. Unhealthy, I think, do not jump from there.
Make him not jump. Put him on the floor. Put him on the floor!
So feisty. You can jump from the chair if you want. See? I give you your own privileges and just brush me away. All around me are familiar faces. Torn out. Oh my god, are you getting this?
Yeah! Hold on. He's playing with a piece of chalk!
The chalk is real. Do not let him eat it.
Oh my gosh, he just jumped! Oh my gosh!
The chalk is the best toy ever, man. No. Do not eat that. He will die in a matter of days if he eats any of that. Chalk is like really unhealthy for any animal. I mean, we can eat it and be fine, but the cat is too fragile. It's only a kit. Kit would eventually die. Kit, do not even lick it, okay? I repeat, do not even lick.
Okay, guys, it wasn't that funny. It wasn't funny.
Simon!
He's not like, what are you doing?
Are you trying to eat bugs? Is before Kaylee found you, have you been, no. Kitty, do not do that, okay? Kitty was trying to eat the stuff out of the fan. Kitty!
Simon, get back. Get back, kitty.
You don't want to get sick. Hey, Kitty, look at this cool thing. It's called Not Over There. You're in solitary confinement because of what you've done. I hope you're happy.
Oh, he's coming. Oh my gosh, I just caught that. I got that. Tara, quit torturing him.
I'm not. Don't go under the chair. Neglecting my bracelet. It took 3 years to make this. Actually, this is from Dollar.
Exactly.
Uh-oh. You're not going back there. You're going to come over here.
Tower, when should I end this video? It's been 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
That's nothing compared to the length. How about like until like 8 minutes, okay?
8 minutes? Okay.
Hey, you don't even like my bracelet anymore.
Oh, there he goes for it.
Neglect.
Oh, sorry, guys. Stop scaring him.
Ooh, he likes that.
It's a Cheeto.
He likes that. What is that?
A Cheeto.
Oh, I thought it was eating something else like a. Wait, how did the Cheeto get on the ground?
I don't know. He's laying down right now.
They wish it ended big because apparently he's not doing anything else.
Okay, guys, come on, Tower. Come here. Come here.
Bye.